Hey guys, Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be giving a makeover to this dresser. So I found this dresser at my local thrift store for $30. It is a really nice solid piece. It has oak in it, and the frame does have a little bit of pressed board with a veneer over it, but otherwise this is a really nice solid piece. The finish on this is really been worn off. It has some paint on it and some scratches and just needs a new look. So if you would like to see this dresser's transformation, just keep watching. Hey buddy. So to start off this project, I removed all of the drawers and then I removed the hardware. And of course, my little guy had to give me a hand. I grabbed my hand orbital sander and I started sanding off the finish of the dresser top, and then I gave a scuff sanding to the rest of the piece. I wanted to give the base of the dresser some cleaner lines, so I used a square and a pencil to draw out a line, and then I grabbed my jigsaw and trimmed off that little scallop detailing, and then I sanded it smooth. For the hard to reach areas, I used a sanding pad to remove the finish on the trim detailing. So on this drawer here, it has had quite a bit of damage from like scratches. It looked like a dog or a cat or something had scratched this drawer pretty badly. This one is the worst of all of them. It has quite a bit of indents and scratches in here. I know you really can't see it on camera, but it's pretty bad. So I'm going to use this little wood filler and fill in and smooth this out. Now using a soapy rag, I'm going to thoroughly clean these drawers. Moment. I'm going to show you my workroom right now because I just had to rearrange a bunch of furniture in here so that I could fit this piece in so I can work on it. This is what happens when you buy too much furniture and you have too many projects going on and you don't complete them. So yeah. So this is my mess right here. It's really bad. Anyways, there's a table somewhere under there. This is a record cabinet I'm currently working on. I'm almost finished with, this is a chair that I have had for months that I've been meaning to redo. I've not done yet. This is a little dresser that I have to work on. It needs a lot of help. There's a buffet that I have to work on. I've been working on a little bit. It needs some major repair, so that's a big project. And then these are all the drawers for the dresser I'm currently working on. And this is permanent stuff. It's just piled really bad. Then there's this desk that I have finished. It's for sale. I haven't sold it yet. And then there's this dresser that I've had for months. This is actually a piece for myself that I need to work on, but I haven't got to yet. So yeah, here it is, guys. This is what real life looks like around here. Anyways, let me get to work now. Okay, so now that I got this beast in here, I didn't realize how big it was until I got it in the house, and it's like, wow, this thing is massive. But anyways, now that I have it in here, I am going to clean it. It's not super dirty, but it has a lot of dust on it, so it needs a really good cleaning. Got a soapy rag, and I'm gonna go over everything with this, clean it really well, and then come back with a just a wet, clean rag and wipe off any soap residue. So I've decided that I'm going to kind of do a whitewash look on the top and then paint the base. So I'm going to prime the base first. So I'm going to tape off this top trim so that I don't get any of that primer on this wood. So today I'm going to be painting this dresser black, and I am using Waverly Inspirations chalk paint in the color ink. I applied 2 coats of the paint to the base of the dresser and the drawer fronts. I absolutely love Waverly's chalk paint. It has such good coverage, and the color consistency is amazing. It didn't have any streaks in it like other dark paints that I've used before. It is self-leveling, and it's just really easy paint to apply, and it goes on really nicely. And I just cannot say enough good things about this paint. For the dresser top, like I said, I am going to whitewash it, so I grabbed a plastic container and some paint and mixed half and half paint and water, stirred it up really well, and then I used a brush to brush on the liquid, and then I used a rag to wipe away the excess. Now it's time to seal everything, and I am using my favorite water-based polyurethane. I applied 2 coats of the sealer to the base and to the drawer fronts, and then I applied 3 coats to the dresser top for added protection. For the final touches, I like to use a little lemongrass essential oils and apply it to the inside of the wood of the furniture. It helps make the piece smell really nice and clean for the future owner. I put all the drawers back in, and now I'm going to be making drawer pulls for this using leather straps. The handles that were on this piece were an odd size, and I had a really hard time finding any pulls that would fit this dresser, and I just couldn't find any that size that I actually liked. So I decided to make my own using leather straps. I bought this roll of leather strap off of Amazon for $12.99, and as always, I will link all the products that I used down below in the description. So just a quick reminder of what this dresser looked like before, and here it is now. So here it is. I really love how it turned out. It has a really nice industrial boho style to it, and I love the black, and I really like how the leather really stands out against that. So anyways, so let's talk numbers real quick. I spent $30 to buy the dresser. So for the paint, I used a 8-ounce container of the Waverly chalk paint, and that is $7.46 a bottle. For sealer, I figured I spent about $3 on that. And the leather for the drawer pulls were $12.99. I was able to use some bolts and nuts that I had on hand, so that didn't cost me anything. So that's an all-in cost of $53.45. I plan on listing this on Facebook Marketplace, and I think I'm gonna try to list it at $350. I don't know if I'll be able to sell it for that much, just because my area, people aren't willing to pay a whole lot for furniture. But anyways, this is a really nice piece, really nice and solid, high quality, and it looks really awesome. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and post it for $350, and we'll see if I actually get it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video.